Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I was never a big fan of German food until I met David. I found it was a little bit on the bland side. Of course, being with him, I made some dishes for us. Although most of the time I modified the recipes to give more flavor, there are a few that I barely touch at all. Here's one of them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my German Spätzle. This is a lovely side dish recipe to have on hand. These egg noodles are an amazing comfort food. After being cooked, they're tossed in butter and ready to be served along with your favorite German meat dish. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add flour, some ground sea salt, and simply combine these two together. We'll transfer the flour mixture to the bowl of a stand mixer and form a well in the center. Now, in another bowl, we'll beat our eggs before pouring in half a cup of milk and continue whisking until well blended. We'll add the egg mixture to the well and, using the paddle attachment, we'll process for 1 minute on low speed. Then we'll increase to speed 4 and process for 5 minutes, stopping to clean the sides of the bowl halfway through. When time is up, we'll add a little bit of milk, half a tablespoon at a time, and process for 30 seconds between each addition until the batter is smooth but not too runny. When we reach the desired consistency, we'll let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of coarse sea salt to a large pot of water and bring it to a boil. Now, working in batches, we'll scoop some batter into a Spätzle press and push it through into the water. It should drop easily, and if not, your batter is too thick. We'll cook the noodles for 2 to 3 minutes or until they rise to the top, which is an indication they're done. We'll scoop them up to a bowl and transfer to a colander. We'll rinse the noodles immediately with cold water to stop the cooking process and drain them well. We'll set them aside while we look after the remaining batter. When they're all cooked, we'll go ahead and finish them in a skillet. So we'll add some butter, and when it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add our noodles. We'll saute them for about 4 to 6 minutes on medium-high heat or until the edges start to brown a little bit. Now this is when you can get creative by adding seasoning and herbs like paprika, freshly ground black pepper like I'm doing here, garlic powder, chives, dill, etc. Even some cheese is very good. When the noodles start to change to a nice golden color, we'll remove from the heat and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our German Spätzle. With a nice texture and a lovely buttery flavor, these egg noodles are a great side dish to serve with many proteins. Quick and easy to make, this recipe is definitely one to add to your folder. These eggy little guys are a delicious comfort food that you and your family will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amount, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!